Hi there, welcome to another video. It's been a while since the last one, mainly because my Alfa Romeo 159 has been very reliable. Anyway, I do have a problem with it. And the problem is, again, it's another common one, is the fan. It doesn't blow. No matter what you put it on, there's no air coming out at all. Okay, it's a nice simple fix. It's normally the resistor, which lives at the back underneath the glove box. Okay, so what we need to do, get the trim panel off, replace the resistor. Okay, so we'll start by removing the tray that sits underneath the glove box. Okay, so just under here then, just see it's quite dark. Okay, there's two little black nuts, plastic nuts here, which just hold on the carpet. The one on this side is broken. Okay, it is still there, but it's on my car. It's broke. There's one just here, just in the corner. Okay, another one here. Just unscrew them. Only finger tight, like so. And another one. Just there. It's there, right in the corner. Just unscrew them, and this drops down. Like so. Okay, obviously ignore all the wires here because that's what we'll do with my stereo system with the GPS and the Wi-Fi and things. Okay, that'll give you access now to the fan. Get some light on it. Okay, so that's all the fan, everything here. Okay, so at the back there, see the blue thing? That's the resistor pack, and that's what normally goes. Okay, basically all you need to do is unscrew it and replace it with another one, which I have here. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So you've got two wiring plugs, okay, there and there, which you just need to unplug off the car. Two screws either side here, unplug it, pull it out. There's also a sealing ring, which is in the back there, which goes around it and in. So unplug the old one, unbolt the old one, plug it, bolt in the new one, plug in the new one, and the job should be done. So let's get the old one out. Okay, so there you go. The two little bolts are out. And the bolts, you'll need a 5.5mm socket. So focus on that, obviously not. Okay, so it's a 5.5mm socket, short extension bar, just to undo the two bolts. You see then, and this just drops out. There you go, like so. I'll just unplug the wiring, plug in my new one, put it back together, and then we'll try it. Okay, what sometimes happens, okay, with the wiring plug, is this one melts. Okay, and that's sometimes the cause of the problem as well. So as you can see, mine has just started to melt a little bit. Okay, so you can buy replacement ones in the kit, which sometimes come with the resistor. Okay, but I don't have one at the moment, so I'm going to plug it in, see if it works. If it does, happy days. I'll order a new kit then, and then rechange this connector. Okay, but let's see if it works now. Okay, so wire plug back in. Okay, just put that part of the loom under the little hook on there. So that's my new one in. Just going to pop it back in the hole. Okay, under there. Put the two bolts back in, and then we'll try it. Okay, so there we go. I'll bolt it back in again. So, moment of truth. Does it now work? Yes, it does. Here we go. Job done. Now just got to put everything back. Okay, hope you found this helpful. See you again next time.